Welcome back. In this lesson, we will learn how to set units in Fusion 360, ensuring that your designs are always in correct measurement system. First method is using Quick Setup from Help option. Click the Help icon in the top right corner. Select Quick Setup. The Quick Setup dialog box appears. This also appears when you opening Fusion for the first time. In this dialog box, you can select the units you want: millimeter, inches, centimeter, etc. Click OK and Fusion 360 updates the units. Second method is changing units from document settings. Open the browser panel. Onto the left side, expand document settings, click on units. A drop-down appears where you can select the required unit. Select your unit and Fusion 360 applies the change. But what if you want to use the same unit system for every new design? You can set this as default unit. After clicking your preferred unit, click Set as Default. Now every time you open Fusion 360, it will automatically use this unit system. That's it. Now you know how to set and change units in Fusion 360. Thank you.